Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to have a look at the Weber Summit Charcoal Grilling Centre. So the kind folks at Weber UK and Riverside Garden Centre have sent me this beautiful bit of kit. It's a Weber Summit Charcoal Grilling Centre, so it's got the full workstation here, and I've had a few plays on it and I absolutely love it. It's a brilliant bit of kit. It's very responsive, it holds the heat nicely, it's great to cook on. There's a lot of surface area here and a lot of options to cook on. It's a fantastic bit of kit. So let's have a quick look at it. I've done a few cooks on it, so let's have a look at some of the detail on it. So there's so many different options here you can cook. You can take this central rack out. You can get a wonderful cast iron, great there to sear off your steaks on. Loads of cooking surface area here. Different levels you can place charcoal and pans on. You've got these charcoal baskets here, so you can move those around, have them in the centre for your steaks, or you can go indirect and have your indirect zone in the centre. That's awesome, that is. I like that. So much potential there. You can cook on different levels. You can pop this on top, keep the food warm. Huge amount of potential. I love that. I love different options when I cook, and this has got it in spades. That's fantastic. If you want to go totally indirect, you've got this plate here. Pop that on. You can add extra charcoal or smoking wood in these with these easy to lift up flaps. So it's twin walled stainless steel. It's got a nice big heavy duty lid on it. Cracking daisy wheel on top. Lots of control there. The quality is incredible. It's very heavy and very sturdy. So it's got two twin walls. It's got a great seal on here. There we go. Make sure it's airtight. Down underneath, charcoal pan underneath. This is your air vent. Under here, you've got a propane canister for getting it started, and all you do is turn that. And that will get the charcoal lit super quick. Loads of storage space, bits and pieces in there. That's great. There's space underneath for all your grill racks and stuff. Big old dial on the front. I think it's pretty accurate from what I've seen. It's one of the best quality I've seen for a while actually, and the size is just perfect for this grill. So I've done everything in here, from grilling to hot smoking, to low and slow, to high searing, and it's a pretty versatile bit of kit. It does pretty much anything I've thrown at it and does it well with style. So I'm loving it. I'm going to get cooking on this now. I've got a few more bits to cook up. So yeah, great bit of kit. Well done, Weber. You should be proud of this. Okay, so if you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke and you want more reviews or you want more recipes, let me know, and hit that box down there, subscribe, and in the comments below let me know what you think of what I do here. Okay, cheers, take care.